Okay, hello, pag-aaralan natin ngayon kung paano mag-add ng integers. Okay, so paano nga ba mag-add ng integers? Okay, so meron tayong rule na sinusunod. Kung ito ba ay same sign o pareho ang sign, kung ito ba ay different sign o magkaiba ang sign. Okay, so ano nga ba yung rules ng addition of integers? Okay, so bago yan, meron tayong dalawang symbols, which is, yung symbol na yan is what we call positive. Okay, ang symbol na to is what we call the negative. Okay, again, we have the positive sign and the negative sign. Okay, so we have same sign, pareho ang sign. Okay, ito ang rule ngayon. Pag same sign o pareho ang sign, okay, so i-add natin yung integers and copy the common sign or kopyahin lang kung ano yung sign ng integers. Okay, example number 1. 4 plus 6 or positive 4 plus 6. So, una nating titignan kung ano ang sign ng dalawa. Okay? So, since parehong positive, ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin yung integers and that is 10. Okay? Positive 10. Next, positive 7 plus positive 2. Okay? So, pwede natin isulat as positive 7 plus 2. Sabi ko kanina, kapag walang nakikitang sign o walang nakikitang sign before the number, okay, that is positive. Okay, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Copy the common sign which is positive. Okay, next, example number 2. What if we have negative 4 plus negative 7? Okay, so titingnan muna natin yung sign ng dalawang integers natin. Same sign. Okay, so i-apply natin yung rule na to. Pag same sign, add the integers. So that is 4 plus 7 equals 11. And then copy the common sign. Okay, kopyahin kung ano yung parehong sign nila. Okay, so ang common sign is negative. Therefore, ang sagot dito is negative 11. Okay, next, negative 5 plus negative 8. Okay, so again, ang una nating titingnan, pareho ba o magkaiba ang sign? Okay, magkapareho ang sign ng negative 5 at negative 8. Parehong negative. So, ang gagawin natin, i-add natin yung integers. 5 plus 8 equals 13. And then, kopyahin natin kung ano yung sign ng dalawa, which is negative. So, the answer is negative 13. Okay, paano naman kapag different sign o magkaiba ang sign ng mga integers? So, ano ba ang gagawin natin or ano ang gagawin natin? Okay, so kapag magkaiba ang sign ng mga integers, iso-subtract natin yung integers. Then, after natin sinubtract, ika-copy natin yung sign or copy the sign of the bigger number. Kukopyahin natin yung sign ng mas mataas na number. Okay, example natin. 4 plus negative 6. Okay, positive ang 4, negative ang 6. So, different sign o magkaiba ang sign. So, ang gagawin natin, subtract natin. So, 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, alin ang mas malaking number? Yung 4 ba o yung 6? Ang mas malaking number is 6, which is ang sign ng 6 ay negative. Okay, so we have negative 2. Yun yung susundin nating sign. Yun ang kokopyahin nating sign. Okay, next, negative 4 plus 6. Okay, so negative ang 4, positive ang 6. Okay, so magkaiba ang sign ng dalawa. So, ang gagawin uli natin, subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then copy the sign of the bigger number. So, which is bigger? 4 or 6? So, ang bigger number natin is 6. Ano ang sign ng 6? Positive. So, therefore, that is positive 2. Okay? Or pwedeng 2 na lang ang sagot. Next, negative 7 plus 8. Okay? So, una nating titingnan, same sign ba or different sign? Okay. Negative ang 7, positive ang 8. So, different sign sila. So, ang gagawin natin, pag different sign uli, o magkaiba ang sign, ima-minus. So, 8 minus 7 is 1. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number. Alin ang mas mataas? Yung 7 o ang 8? So, ang mas mataas is 8. Ano ang sign ng 8? Positive. So, therefore, that is positive 1 or 1. Next, example, 5 plus negative 9. Okay, so the sign of 5 is positive, sign ng negative 9 is negative. Okay, magkapareho ba o magkaiba? Same or different? Okay, different ang sign or magkaiba ang sign ng 5 and 9. So, ang gagawin natin, subtract natin ang integers. So, 9 minus 5 equals 4. And then, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, kopyahin natin yung sign ng mas mataas na number. So, alin na mas mataas, yung 5 or 9? Okay, so the bigger is 9. So, ano ang sign ng 9, which is negative. Therefore, the answer is negative 4.